Hello?
Bro lost everyone. He even lost baby Ray.
Yo, hello? Yeah, hello? Hello? Yo, hello? I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. What's up?
What's up?
Shit, I'm just chilling. What are you doing?
Anything?
You said what? Hello? Hello? Listen, when I speak, you speak back. You hear me? Your shit's muted.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello? Can you talk?
Okay. Okay.
Are you on your phone, laptop?
I'm on my laptop.
Oh shit. Wait, how old are you?
I'm 20.
Oh, me too. Shit. I was
Oh, that.
yeah, dead ass.
When did
So
you turn 20?
Banana donated
like
$2. I
a month ago.
apologize, Rice Gum. I wasn't familiar with
Damn.
your game.
What about you?
In December of 2023?
Okay. Wait, cough real quick?
Why?
I just gotta check some.
What?
Did you just cough?
No?
Cough real quick?
Why?
No. I'm just tripping. I'm tripping. Nah, but
Okay.
you sound mad pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm actually going to the bay soon.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. What is there to do out there?
How soon?
Um,
The
I'd say in like 3 weeks or something, two, 3.
Okay. Where are you planning to go?
Wherever you at. Wait, do you have a camera or no?
I do have a camera.
RT donated
Can I see you?
$2.50. It's over, you're
Can I see
washed.
you?
Game
Yeah, I'm
over.
gonna turn my camera on.
Alzea is channeling her crystals.
Okay,
It's
turn it
over
on.
for you.
I'm gonna turn it on right now.
Damn, your camera's hella clear. Mine don't look like that.
Wait, hold on. What's up?
What's up?
Shit, what is that to do in a bay?
There's really It just depends where you go. There's a lot of stuff to do in San Francisco. San Jose too.
You look mad Latina.
I'm not. I'm fully Asian.
What type?
I'm Lao, Korean, and Arabian.
Damn, you got like a mix of everything.
Yeah.
Damn. Well, what'd you do today?
I just had work.
Oh, what'd you work? What do you work as?
I work at Target.
Damn. Put the toys in the bag.
Oh my god.
Nah, yeah, but shit, I don't know. I just want to say hi real quick and just saying I might see you in the bay soon.
Okay. Yeah, you can literally just hit me up when you're out here.
I bet I'll hit you up on Discord.
Okay.
All right, peace.
Show.
Bye bye.
Bye.
She seemed cool. She seemed pretty cool.
You better not.